Mchele mawuok lowa Kuja Irrigation Scheme sani koro Okwamo Kod Gunde mathoth mag mchele nikech nok mar chiro. Gino magiwacho ni sani koro nyalo buogo chal mar irrigation scheme no mane omuonyo omenda maromo bilion 5.5. Mae kane giloso kod jofwamb weche.
Sorry, come in.
Asiako kibiro tego sime. Ai le mama ko sime.
Chief Emmanuel.
Issues concern that some part of the scheme is a bit fallow for now. I just want to say that since the beginning of this year, together with my technical team, we developed a cropping program. And that cropping program, we say that we are beginning with Block A, which has 1,100 acres. And then from there we move to Block B that has 800 acres, then progressively Block C that has about 600 acres, and Block D that has 500 acres. The reason why some section of the scheme is a bit fallow for now is because the previous season, farmers were continuously cropping. After harvest, they bring in another rice without leaving land to rest or to dry up, maybe for some time like 2 or 3 months. And because of that, there was heavy buildup of pests and disease in that block. And that one led to decline in production. And even some other farmers were able to abandon farming. And because of that, we came up with a clear cropping program. And our program is that we begin with Block A, which we have done. It is 80% complete. And then from there, starting this week, we have begun now working on Block B, which is 1,100 acres. I'm sure by the end of this month, we'll be able to have done the entire Block B. I just want to call upon the farmers in the scheme to put farming seriously, to come together, and we are working out closely with the leadership of the scheme to strengthen the farmers' organization so that they can be able to undertake farming seriously. And I'm happy with the progress that we are making. And I'm sure by the end of this financial year, which ends end of June, we'll be able to do the entire 3,000 acres, which is for Block 3. Yes, there have been a challenge of this marketing, and I just want to say that that one, the issue of marketing, of course, is supposed to be dealt by maybe the county government or Migori, and even the National Trading Corporation. We understand it was given some money to be able to buy the milled rice from farmers through groups. But from the information I received, they have had some challenge in offloading the rice that they were able to buy. But I'm confident that I've seen even right now in Lower Kuja, there are local investors who are coming up with a mill that has a bigger capacity. And I'm sure that once those mills are ready, we'll be able to, the farmers will be able to have market, they will be able to mill there and now be able even to sell to other local market around and the National Trading Corporation, which requires that farmers must sell to them.
We've seen people are putting or planting the pisori and the IR, the aero scheme, such that our produce, when we have done it here, we take it to our irrigation scheme for marketing. So currently, I can say we still have, we still don't have a stable market for local farmers here.